Hello everyone, welcome to join Golden International Health Free Education. My name is Mary Huan, Invention Craig, Golden International Mobile Hub Life Sales. Today, we will teaching Golden International Mobile Hub Life Sales the application knowledge tagged for you self-protect your own health. The correct modern knowledge, Golden International Daily Actions. Golden International Daily Actions consists of 40 different actions, total of 8 Golden International Daily Actions original education radio courses. About brief introduction, Golden International Mobile Hub Life Sales and Golden International Daily Actions. The requirement for participating to learn and obtain effects and so on. We already put on the following after the teaching video. Please, everyone must watch and read carefully. Now, we will teach one action among Golden International Daily Actions. Last class, we gave the lesson about hand action, leg action, and connect action. Many people ask, how many quantity we need to do for that action? Good question. We give exact answer is 100 times. Shall we do more? No. Why? Because if one action we to do more, maybe will hurt your body inside some parts or some outs. That's what we don't want, right? After a few decades deeply research, back practice, we got the conclusion is 100 times enough good for support our body. So you one day do the action only 100 times enough, no more. Should we do less? Of course, especially for beginner. You just join. You need to repeat the action, make a correct action. So, you need to practice. You maybe do less. However, when you got the professional, you must do 100 times for each day in order to protect your health. Do the action before, we need to know a couple of things. Number one, this action is a feet move, so feet touch floor should likely cannot make any sound. Number two, for start beginner, you can use the whole feet do the action. But when you get a professional, you should use the toe only do the action. It is a much help support your body, your health. Number three, keep your body always upright and avoid leaning forward or backward. Number four, your finger close, straight. Cannot do that straight. Okay, close. And arm straight eagle. Shoulder high. Cannot do that way. That way. No. Only one way. Only one way. Shoulder high. And move also one way. Shoulder high. Cannot do that. That's no. Only one way. Shoulder high. Straight. And palm raise angle. Assembly 90 degree. Okay. And also, we need to count, choose two different language to count. In here, we choose English and Hanyu. Somebody asked, excuse me, why should we count? Good question. Because we need to exercise our check at the long, far away bronchitis, lung diseases, pandemic, and many diseases. Somebody also say, excuse me, I cannot speak Hanyu. Doesn't matter. You can choose your hometown language. For example, you come from French. You can speak English, French. Only need two different language to count. Of course, eyes look straight, smiling your face, and the head also think, keep your action correct. Okay, now everybody follow me to do the 100 times for each day quantity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10. 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10. 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10、2、3、4、5、6、7、 8、9、10。Wonderful. Do the action. Okay. You should keep lightly touchful. When you got a profession, you should use a toe. Look at the side. Yes, it is much help yourself do the action. And arm as straight as possible. Okay, cannot do that. Straight. Correct action. It is very important. Will support your health. Then crack knowledge. Must crack knowledge. Make it easy. You at home can support your health. Far away many diseases. You really can enjoy your happy